Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also we are going to discuss about the learning procedures of students with a very fun and exciting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called data handling. For this, chapter number is 9. This chapter is from NCERT syllabus, class 1, subject Maths. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called homework. So what are the innovation behind this innovative idea called homework? The innovation is experiencing lessons within the dearest surroundings by the help of the parents with the given set of instruction. This is the innovation behind the innovative idea called homework. So what are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concepts. The objective is to revise the concepts of collection, representation and interpretation. So these are the objectives. So how we are going to implement this? We are going to implement by asking the students to collect 9 leaves from the garden of their home or from the nearby places with the help of their parents. Ask the students to pluck the leaves only after permission, and also ask the students to pluck the leaves very gently. Now, after plucking the leaves, the students should segregate the leaves. That is, they should recognize the leaves according to their physical properties like shape, size and colors. And also ask the students to stick the leaves in the notebook according to their physical properties, according to their categories like size, shape and color. So also inform the students that on the very next day we are going to have a discussion on this topic. In this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea homework? The students able to work with numbers from 1 to 20. The students able to count numbers. The students able to recognize objects according to their category, according to their physical properties like sizes, shapes and colors. Also, the students collect records and interpret simple information. Experiential learning takes the students from abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcome of this innovative idea homework. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.